We Adapt Energy is a not-for-profit organization. It helps research innovators, graduates and individual innovators in terms of mentoring and even in terms of fund assistance. That's the main idea. Our mission is to raise an awareness in the field of research and propel the current scientific research in the country. And we want to achieve this in terms of building a knowledge pool by getting the proper mentors to the people who are in need of the mentorship for their research, anything research or academic or individual research or anything related to that. Research in the country is presently going on. Though the research in the country is going on, it's not quite acceptable at this point of time if we look at internationally when compared to other countries. When compared to other developed nations and other developing nations especially, we are lacking behind. We have done a lot of secondary research, and we have come to know that the present situation in this, and we have thought that this is the thing we need to take up to at least to initiate this to initiate some solutions for this kind of a noble cause. We have faced a couple of challenges. Every organization faces a challenge. VAE is not any exceptional. We have faced challenges in terms of mentoring, and initially there was a lot of students and researchers and young scientists. There was a lot of people coming to us, and we couldn't assist them, and we couldn't help them in terms of mentoring. Supply and demand was lacking, and even in terms of mentoring, we are looking for volunteers who are good in their areas, in whichever discipline they teach. They need to be good, and they can assist the students who are coming forward for the help, who are coming forward to who are seeking help from the organization. And we are approaching retired scientists, a couple of retired scientists in India, a couple of reputed retired scientists in India, and also a couple of professors, reputed professors in India, to help many students who are having game-changing ideas, to help them during their free times and assist them to evaluate their work, so that their idea can come into the reality.